skinny jeans, Flint.
Those aren't skinny jeans.
Nope.
My feet are turning purple. Is that bad? Oh.
Banana split! Ah!
Go!
Come on,
That bunch of banana ostriches nearly split us.
Are you okay?
Oh my gosh. My house!
Ho, 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 ho! Oh my gosh. Your lab.
Oh, crap balls.
We can't go up there, Flint Lockwood. That dangling ups and downs in lab's not the code.
I've got to if I'm gonna find the Flintstifflemanor.
We can do it. Those load-bearing vines will be able to support a small team.
Onwards and upwards.
Right, sir. To the lab!
Sentinels, keep the locals safe.
I'll keep them safe.
Hey guys, where are you going? Guys, hey, wait for me! Uh-oh. Will help?
Spooky.
Spooky is right, Steve. Behind you!
Whoa!
I say, this laboratory of yours is a wonder of engineering.
Really? Thank you, sir. Initiating backup power.
Welcome, Flint.
Oh, my computer's dead!
The fate of the world is depending on us. Think, Lockwood.
Well, if I could pull the hard drive, there's enough equipment in this lab that I could build a tracking device.
I say, young Lockwood, what extraordinary underpants.
Thank you, sir. They're my wedgie-proof underwear. I invented them when I was 6.
I had no idea we were so alike. Except I invented mine when I was 3.
You guys have been wearing the same underwear since you were kids?
Yes.
Excuse me. How do you expect us to get the hard drive with all that electrified water?
We dangle!
Come, Lockwood, give the monkey your underpants.
What?
Lay on, young Lockwood. You know, hanging from my underpants in this space brings back so many memories. I too built my lab up high to keep the bullies out.
You were... You were bullied too?
Absolutely. People like us are always bullied. Sometimes I wish I'd kept my bullies around.
Really?
So I could crush them with my success. Just like you did with that man baby.
You mean Brent? Sure, he used to be a bully, but he's my friend now.
Friend? A bully can never be a friend.
Never?
Remember the ancient Chinese proverb. Gwen que do shou wu continue to.
Huh?
Stew offered by a bully is poisoned broth.
Wow, Stu. I have so much to learn. Mission accomplished.
Indeed, young Lockwood. Indeed.
Help!
Ay, caramba.
You okay, Earl?
My chest hairs have been tingling all day.
Don't worry. Livcor's sentinels have danger-sensing fibers built into their chest plates. Bravo, Lockwood. With luck, we'll survive the night.